Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a realistic AI avatar that looks and sounds like you. Look at this example. Imagine having a digital version of yourself that looks like you, talks like you, and mimics your expressions perfectly, all created in just a few minutes. Thanks to Humva AI, this is now possible. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or business professional, an AI avatar can help you generate videos effortlessly without being on camera. So in this video, I will take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can turn a simple image into a lifelike AI avatar that speaks naturally using your own voice. And the best part, you don't need any technical skills. Just upload a photo, add a script, and let the AI do the magic. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today, I will be showing you step-by-step how to create your own AI avatar using Humva AI. Before we start creating the avatar, we need to access Humva AI's platform. To do that, simply click the link in the description below. This will take you directly to the official Humva AI website. If you're a new user, you'll need to sign up for an account, which is super easy. Just click the sign up button, enter your email and password, or sign up using Google for quick access. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Humva AI dashboard. And here's some great news. Humva AI is currently offering a limited time deal. Use the discount code HUMVACODE at checkout to get $19 off your first month, completely free. After that, renewals will be at the regular price. This offer is limited to the first 1,000 users, so don't miss out. Once inside the dashboard, you'll see avatars and templates. You can either choose a pre-made avatar or create a custom AI version of yourself, which is exactly what we're going to do next. Here are a few examples.
Lights, camera, action. Step into a world where every frame tells a story. From cinematic magic to polished perfection, our studio Lights, camera, action. Step into a world where every frame tells a story. From cinematic magic to polished perfection, our studio transforms your vision into a masterpiece. Ready to shine?
Knowledge is power, and learning is the ultimate adventure. Knowledge is power, and learning is the ultimate adventure.
Now for the fun part, creating your personalized AI avatar. Click on the Create Avatar button from the dashboard. You'll now be prompted to upload a photo. Photo requirements. The image should be in PNG or JPG format, file size under 10 megabytes. The image should be clear, well lit, and without obstructions. Once uploaded, Humva AI will process the image and create a realistic digital avatar that looks just like you. One of the coolest features of Humva AI is its ability to make your avatar talk using realistic AI voices. At this stage, you have two options. Use built-in AI voices. Humva AI offers a variety of AI-generated voices that sound professional, natural, and expressive.
Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for.
Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for. Let's make this awesome together.
Or upload your own voice. For a truly personalized experience, you can record your own voice and sync it with your avatar. Ensure your recording is clear, with no background noise. Once uploaded, Humva AI will process and sync your voice with your avatar, making it sound exactly like you. This makes your AI avatar perfect for branding, YouTube content, customer service videos, and more. Now that we've got the avatar and voice, it's time to customize the final look. Choose the aspect ratio, 16.9, best for YouTube videos, 9.16, perfect for Instagram Reels, TikTok, or Shorts. Select different styles, studio cartoon realistic. Want more customization? If you plan to edit your avatar later, you can choose the green screen background. This allows you to replace the background with anything you want in post-production. Or you can upload your own custom background for a unique look. Once you're happy with your avatar, click on Next. The AI will start processing your avatar. This might take a few minutes depending on your settings. It will generate 12 different avatars for you. Simply select 5 avatars that best suit your preferences. Now click Start Generation and wait for the results.
Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen. Let's make this awesome together. Let's make this awesome together. Whatever you're aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen. Let's make this awesome together.
And just like that, your avatars are ready. Looks incredibly realistic, right? And that's how easy it is to create a talking AI avatar using Humva AI. With just a single photo and a script, you can generate high-quality AI-driven content in minutes, without needing expensive video equipment or hours of editing. Perfect for social media content, presentations marketing, and so much more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.